So this is our barefoot workout. I hope you've warmed up before you start. Remember that short warm up that you can do before you actually go into your workout session. For this session, we're going to use a weighted ball, but you can use any type of weight you like. It can be a dumbbell, like the ones we've got over on the side there. You need a resistance that's going to be anything between 3 to 8 kilograms. Let's start off with a 3 kilogram weight and work your way up. You've got to be able to hold it carefully. I'm barefoot in this studio. We've got a lovely sprung floor. You don't have to go barefoot if you want to. You can wear trainers if you need to. Just make sure your floor is suitable for whatever you've got on your feet. Yeah, I'm using a mat to stop me from slipping. So if you're barefoot, then you may need to do that as well. Okay, so here we go. We're going to hold our weight really close to the body, working the shoulder blades back and down. So I'm drawing my shoulder blades down. Keep it tight into your chest. We're going to start off really slowly. 2 counts down, 2 counts up. Are you ready? Here we go. So it's a slow count down and lifting back up. Now, as I'm doing this, I'm drawing up through the core of my feet. I'm not going too low in my squat just yet because I'm just warming it up just that little bit more. Keep that weight nice and close to your chest and to your abdomen. Now work through your core muscles as you do this. That's good. Give me one more at this pace. Okay, we're going to single time it now. Down, up, go down and up. It's good. Perfect. Keep it going. All right, how are we doing out there? You feeling good? I hope so. So this is the first of our series of barefoot workouts. We're going to go for it a bit more in these. Give me 4 more. 3, 2 more, 1 more, and I'd like you to give me 3 counts down. So we're going 3, 2, 1, and up again. 3, 2, 1, and up again. 3, 2, 1, and again, 3. Now after this, I'd like you to give me 7 counts down. Are you ready? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up again. 7, 6, 5. Now as you go into this 7 count, you can get a little bit lower, yeah? Now watch what I'm doing here. I'm going to slightly sway my hips side to side as I go down. 3, 2, 1, and lift. Watch, you sway slightly as you go down. Let's have a side view on that. Weight into your heels. Now you've got to keep your chest as lifted as you can and your spine nice and long. So your back is lovely and long as you do this. I'm going to do it wrong for a second. What I don't want you to do is round your back as you go down, yeah? You keep those shoulder blades back, that bottom back and out. Again, go 7, 6. Now use your core. Lift up from your pelvic floor and into your belly. 1 more on 7, then we're going to stay low. Good. Now the lower you go, the harder this is. Okay, now you can rest your arms onto your thighs for an easier version, or you can take your arms away from your thighs. You've got to lift in through your core. You're going to go halfway up and down. It's good. Okay, so a little way up and down. Perfect. Keep it going. Give me 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, 1 more. Now all the way up, single count. Go down, up, and lift. Good. How you doing? That should have fatigued your legs a little bit. Now at any point, if your weight gets too much, you put it on the floor carefully, yeah? 2 more here. Now watch my change. I'm going to go down and overhead. Yeah, so press down. Now I'm coming up onto my toes as I do this. You don't have to come up onto your toes. You can keep your feet firmly on the floor if you prefer. Now as you go overhead, this is going to start to take your heart rate up a little bit more, as well as a harder workload on your shoulders. So just be aware of that. At any point you want to work without your ball is absolutely fine, or your weights. Give me 4 more of these. So squat down and press. Fantastic. You're doing so well. Give me 2 more here. 1 more. Fantastic. Okay, ease off. Now watch my change. I'm going to step back, drop down, step in. Yep, step back, drop down, step in. Join me now. Step back, drop down, step in. Watch, the weight can go up as well. You got it, good. Step back, down. How are those shoulders doing? Yep. You okay? You're doing so well. Give me 2 more here. Keep working your shoulder blades down. Now I want you to check your knee. Yep. Press. Now step back. Make sure this front knee doesn't knock in. Yeah, push it out. Now hold your lunge position. Now you can do this with one hand or just supporting with the other hand. If you've got a dumbbell, you can just use one hand, or a kettlebell, one hand or two hands, your choice. It's good. Press it up. Perfect. Keep it going. Breathe. Come on, push. Give me 4 more here. Squeeze your right buttock. Lift your belly in. 2 more. 1 more. And you're there. Well done. Now here comes the real high energy bit. Yeah? So we're going to go 4, 3, 2, and switch legs. 4, 3, 2, and switch legs. 4, 3, 2, and switch. Now you step your weight back and put your weight into the back leg. So as you're changing, your weight comes back. Yeah, that's really important because you want to squeeze through the back buttock as you do this. Now you can continue stepping as I'm stepping, or you can start to jump it up. Yeah, oh, lost my mic. Keep it going. Now the jumps are optional, yeah? 4, 3, 2, and switch. 4, 3, keep your weight back. Again, 4, 3, 2, and switch. We're going to go to 2s. Are you ready? In 2, go. And switch. And switch. And switch. And switch. Remember, you can step it. You don't have to jump it. Your choice. Good. Can we go to singles? Are you ready? Here we go. Single. Jump. 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 Or step. 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 Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Brilliant. Grab yourself some water, and then we're going to do a little short rendition of that again. Grab your ball, careful as you pick it up. Are you ready? Here we go. Back to our squats. 4, 3, 2. Squat down, overhead press. How you doing? You okay? I hope so. I think I'm just about okay. Do you know, when I said to you, grab some water, I looked around for my own water, and I've left it right over the other end of the studio, so I can't grab it. So will you have some water for me, please? Do that one more time. Actually, that's a lie. One more time. We're going to step back with the left leg this time. Are you ready? Step back, drop down, step in, and press. Now, you can do this with your left foot on the floor, yeah? Or you pick the knee up and you balance. Yeah, your choice. 4 more. It's good. 3 more. Perfect. 2 more. Use your center. 1 more. And hold it back. Now drop down into your lunge. Work your way back. Squeeze your buttock on the back leg. Okay, single presses. Up. Whoa, now see, my left isn't as strong as my right. This is quite a heavy ball. So I'm having to guide it with my right hand. My left arm's still doing all the work, but that just goes to show that our strength often isn't symmetrical. So I've got to work on that left side, definitely. So see how I'm struggling there. So if you find the same thing, then you just have to guide it, but really work on trying to balance yourself out. Give me 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Are you ready? Now I put my ball on the floor there. You can, I just dropped it down. I can do that because it's a slam ball. Be careful if you have a metal weight or something that just bounces when you put it down. Yeah, make sure you put it down carefully. Okay, so we're doing 4, 3, 2, and switch. Yep, 4, 3, keep your weight back. 4, 3, 2, and switch. 4, 3, 2. Let's go to 2s right now. 2. Good. Remember, you can step it. Yep. Keep your weight back. Good. 2 more on 2s. Singles. Here we go. Go. Jump. 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 Or step. 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 Keep it going. 8. 7. How are you doing? 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Yes, you've done it. Well done. Ease it off. Breathe. March it out. Give me a couple circles with those shoulders. So lift it up and draw back. And again, up and back and draw back. Now open your chest, lengthen your arms, stretch and pull your arms down to release that tension in the neck and shoulders. Okay, now take hold of your right foot. Push that kneecap into the floor, lengthen through the front of your thigh. Now, I'm just doing a couple of stretches here just to bring you down a little bit, but remember, that's why you're doing Pilates flow in this challenge as well. So you've got that balance of strength and length, so you'll get lots of stretches in your Pilates flow as well. So do a couple of stretches, then know that tomorrow or the next time you do your Pilates flow workout, you've got an opportunity to lengthen your body out a little bit more. Well done. Hey, well done you. You've just completed another video. If you would like to do more of this kind of content, then please do like and subscribe. The more likes and subscribes we get, then the more content we can produce for you. So make sure you don't forget to do that and to share this with your friends too.